Calcium must be enough, top up, iron, zinc, no more possibly on a problem. So if you have prone joints, you might need not only calcium, but if you so any painful joints, you can use calcium to prevent them from happening ever. So if you depend on anything already more the joint is arm, we can look at this supplement, glucosamine. It looks at them as selling out close. Because that pain, I don't recommend it so after some time, we probably have arthritis. Because in the supplement effect, I will not protect you. So then you need glucosamine, we top up that the really feeding, and then lose some muscle affecting the little muscles. So what exercise are the white rock of the exercise? Then the honor this system, you post a happily immune system, not recommended for what are allergic to seafood, with happy, so then they don't need to use this one. Very oil, additional benefit that thing, except the out to second joints. Itu saka sebete pelo hepatitis B to say ya honor ilukise mathata around sebete le pelo how ilukise le mahlo a how body get to cataract before it develops. If you get soon enough, you might not have a problem. Ya cataract one of sexual washing the mahlo asala, so it out. The grand problem ya mahlo the drive of sea the correct shapaka light. The following day mahlo ka red and hold karana santa kamha. Is a very oil. Then from that day I am fine. That was 2019 until today. Salary is only one, but I'm not. But what I say several times, or at least for 3 months before I got total relief because of condition, the way it was so bad, so bad. 90 days committed on this thing. That problem it should be over. So, but after that, then you can check it maybe after some time, outgrow normal, I need to bear white, then you take it. Because we already take poster immune system a function of that. So, okay, before, yeah, let's finish this. Say it's a woman, you look at immune system or system, you already take poster immune system. So it means if motonal issues that woman, for example, reproductive system, we don't need to have any separate white. I can't supplement your woman, you can fix up. System you and then you want that you want that is solve one those issues that the production system. You go ahead, oh, sir, how are you doing? Nice to see you. Great. So for the ladies, supplement for the ladies and the reproductive wise as a reproductive destroyer. Our system reproduction.